Today I have a board from HP. The model number is 840G6. So when I plug in the DC jack, the power consumption is around 29 and 30 milliamps. So I think that it has a problem from BIOS, and I am gonna flash the BIOS on SVOD 3 today. So I am recording this video just to show you guys how to flash BIOS on SVOD 3. So let's remove BIOS first from the BIOS socket. As you can see, this is 256 chip, means 32 MB to the chip size, and I will insert this on the BIOS socket here. So I have inserted the BIOS chip on the socket, and now let's go to desktop side, on my laptop, and I will open the SVOD programmer. So I have opened two windows. Let's close the other one. So on this one, to flash BIOS, the first thing you will need to do is go to mode of programmer and select the SPI25 flash. This is for BIOS flashing chip. Okay, I have chosen this one. Now I'm going to click on read ID. So it will do the testing and select the necessary mode, like it is showing 256 MB. That means my chip has been selected. Now I already have this backup file on my device, so I am not going to backup this. I'm direct. If you need the backup, you can read and save from here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open and select a BIOS file I wanna choose. So here is my BIOS file, and I'm gonna go for the 32 MB. I've choose this. So what I'm gonna do is click on the next button is the write, and it will do the writing process in the meantime. So we'll be back right now.